So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if you see Google Chrome open, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. Make sure that Chrome is not running. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Program Files x86. And then click on Google. And you want to find the update folder. You want to delete this. Continue. You want to delete the update folder. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Google Chrome. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, in the top right, you want to click on the three dots and then click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on About Chrome. It should now start updating Chrome for you, and this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you want to go to search and type in Add Remove Programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Google Chrome. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall. And then you want to uninstall Google Chrome. Then you just want to re-download it again from a different web browser. This should now fix your problem.